In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a device from Nordvpn. This straightforward process will help you manage the devices connected to your Nordvpn account, ensuring your network remains secure and clutter-free. Whether you are looking to streamline your connections or troubleshoot an issue, following these steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. First, let's get started by opening your Nordvpn app. If you haven't installed it yet, or if it's been a while since you used it, make sure your app is updated to the latest version to avoid any glitches. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app interface. On the left hand panel you should see a list of options. Among these is Devices in MeshNet. Click on this to access the list of devices connected through your MeshNet. Here we find ourselves in the heart of device management. MeshNet allows multiple devices to connect securely as if they were sharing the same network, which can be quite handy. But right now we want to manage or remove a device, and to do that you'll want to locate the section labelled MeshNet. There should be a drop down arrow next to it. Go ahead and click on this arrow to expand your list of connected devices. Now that you've got the drop down menu open, look for the option labelled Deactivate. Clicking on Deactivate is an essential step in this process. Be aware that deactivating MeshNet will unlink devices, clear the file transfer history, and temporarily disable MeshNet features. So, if there are any files you haven't finished transferring or other tasks still in progress, you might want to handle those first. But if everything is good to go, click that button confidently. Once you deactivate MeshNet, a confirmation pop-up menu will appear. This is a safety measure to ensure that you truly wish to proceed, as these actions cannot be undone instantly. In this pop-up, you'll see an option that says Remove Device. Click on this option to permanently remove the device from your Nordvpn MeshNet, and with that you're all done. You've successfully removed a device from your Nordvpn account. This process is not only useful for maintaining your privacy and security, but also helps keep your virtual connections organized. Remember, if you ever want to reconnect the device, you can always do so by adding it back to your MeshNet list. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Feel free to explore other features of Nordvpn to maximize your online privacy and security.